Check the contents in the package before assembly. Flip the stand base to the bottom. Remove the 4 nuts. Flip the stand base around and catch the 4 spring washers. Remove the 4 bolts. Put the pole on the stand base and secure by the 4 bolts. Secure the bolts with the spring washers and nuts. Remove the tilt bolt washes and nut. Install the motor, replace the bolt, washers and nut, tighten firmly. Install the knob on the pole. To adjust height, loosen the knob, adjust the height, then tighten firmly. Removes the 4 bolts onto the 4 corners. Install the rear fan guard. Please make sure the screw on the frame is on the bottom side. Secure with the 4 bolts. Now install the blades. Find the set screw flat on the shaft. Position the blade with the screw on the back and tighten the screw on the set screw flat. Remove the screw on the bottom of the rear fan guard. Open all 7 retaining clips on the front fan guard. Find the alignment tab on the front fan guard. It's on the rear top side on the front fan guard. Install the front fan guard. First, seat the top edge with the alignment tab to the center spoke of the rear fan guard. Close all the retaining clips. Then replace the screw on the bottom. The installation has completed. Pull the chain to cycle between modes: low, medium, high and off. Connect the hose connector to a garden faucet to use the mist function. The mist on and off is controlled by the faucet. It is perfect to use on any scenario, from family gathering, workshop, warehouse, or restaurant environments. Thank you for watching.